today in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline SuperStay. This is one of the colors. The Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Now I'm going to do a wear test for you guys, but first let me show you this. These are the two colors that I used to blend. I had to blend, guys. I bought these two colors. This color is Warm Sun, and Warm Sun is number 334. This one is Warm Coconut, number 356. So I blended these two to get this foundation look that you're looking at right now. And as you can see, I am oily, so this is basically towards the end of the day, and it's evening time, the sun is down. I just wanted to come through sort of like in a reverse, you know, showing you what the foundation looked like. I'm going to show you how I blended these two foundations to get the look that I have. Let me just read what it says. I did write some stuff down. The foundation is about 1 ounce in weight. It costs $9.99. I got mine from Amazon.com. I did go to the drugstore to look for it. I could not find it. They didn't even have this there. I went to Walgreens and I went to CVS, my favorite drugstores. They didn't have it. So what I did was I went online and I found it. Now I understand at Ulta they're selling it for $11.99. So it was at Amazon for $9.99. So I picked up two colors because honestly, looking at the shade chart, they have 16 shades. I couldn't tell which one was the best match for me, so I just picked up two and I just mixed them and hoped for the best. And you know, guys, I like the look. I really like the way it looks. So using the dark shade, I'm going to put one pump onto my hand, just like that. And as you can see, it is moving. It's not too runny, but it is moving down my hand. The second pump is the lighter shade. This color is the Warm Coconut. The lighter color is Warm Sun, and I'm just going to put half of a pump on top of that. Half of a pump. And what I like to do now is take my foundation brush. Make sure your foundation brushes are clean if you're going to do this step. But when I blend it out in the morning, this is what I've been doing. And I've just been simply just mixing it just like this on the back or on the bottom of my makeup brush. So I'm going to start with that area, and I'm just going to put whatever is on the back of this right there. Now I'm going to use this brush. This brush is the Sonia Kashuk brush. This is the foundation brush, and I'm just going to just start here, and I'm just going to start blending. And as you can see already, guys, as you can see already, I mean, that's amazing. Make sure it's blended, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit. It's blended down. I'm going to use my artist dupe brush, and I'm just going to just go over my face, make sure the foundation is laying nice and smooth, because although I like a nice fuller coverage, I do like to see a little bit of my natural skin showing through. So I'm just going to blend this down a little bit. And yeah. And that's about it. That's what I would do. So you can see how oily my skin is. Where's my brush? I don't want to touch my face. You can see it looks really shiny or glowy. That's the oil in my skin, guys. It's just coming through. So what I like to do during the day when I am oily is I like to blot. And these are my blotting papers that I use. These are the Natural Premium Oil Blotting Charcoal Papers. So as you can see, let me just show you. It's dark. And I've been using these blotting papers for years, guys. I get them like in a 2-pack. I get them from Amazon. I want to show you how blotting the oil from your face can refresh your makeup look. So I'm not going to apply any more makeup. I'm not going to apply any powders or anything. All I'm going to do is to remove the oil from my face with this paper. And you guys are going to see how much better my skin is going to look once I start removing the oil. And let me just want to show you, look how nice and refreshed my skin looks already. and I didn't even apply any powder, any more foundation. I could finish up another couple of hours with this makeup look. And I'm just running it around the side of my face in case any oil has kind of moved towards the outer perimeter of my face. And I want to show you what the paper looks like. It does have a little bit of foundation on it. But also I like to blot around my mouth area, especially because the mouth area and the eye area are the two places on the face where the skin can move, where it folds and moves, especially when we talk and when we smile. That skin moves. So what I like to do is to take my blotting sheet and just press it around the mouth area, around the eye area, to help reset the makeup so that it doesn't look like it's going deeper into the lines. If you have lines, you may want to do this. This does help. And it sort of resets the makeup, and you don't have to touch up with powder or foundation or anything. So guys, now right now the meeting was over. It went really well, and my husband and I went to Ruby Tuesdays to have some lunch. Right now it's a little after 1 o'clock, and as you can see, my foundation is starting to break down a little bit. I have not blotted my skin. By this time I would have blotted my skin. Normally 4 hours into my makeup wear, I usually blot once I see oil, but I didn't do it for the wear test so that you all can see what's going on with the foundation. I know a lot of people don't blot, but I do recommend that you blot your skin. And the swatches are right here, guys. I put this on my hand 30 minutes ago. So what I'm going to do now is apply fresh swatches on this hand so that we can see how much this foundation oxidizes, if it does. So I'm going to start with the Warm Sun, and the next one is the Warm Coconut. Now this is what it looks like freshly applied, and this is what it looks like after it's dried down in 30 minutes. And as you can see, it looks like that this foundation does oxidize. So I do like this a lot. My only problem I have with this foundation is that it comes in 16 colors, but it's still kind of hard to choose the right color. And also it does oxidize. It does get darker. It does get darker as you wear it. And yeah, so I mean, aside from that, I do like the foundation a lot. I think it really does what it says. Alright guys, so thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. God bless. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.